Yamaha motorcycle won't start. So if your motorcycle will not start up and begin to work, use this checklist to fix the problem. This troubleshooting information is based on the information in the factory repair manual. By the way, you can download a Yamaha factory repair manual free of charge, and you can download the manual right now. A manual covers every aspect of maintenance, troubleshooting, service, and repair. So to download a repair manual instantly, just go to the Google search box and search for the website How to Make Money Online. But be sure to click on the website that ends in .co, not .com. So it's howtomakemoneyonline.co. When you get to the website, it should look something like this. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on this link. Then find your model and double click on it. Then find the year and right click on it. And from there you can either just preview it or you can download it to your device, whether it's a tablet, phone, or computer. And that's it. I hope this helped.